Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and today I'm here to talk to you about a must-have product for the Nintendo Switch. It is, if you have a Switch, it will change your life, trust me. Okay, so what is it? It is a Bluetooth little receiver that plugs into the dock station or the bottom of the Switch, and it'll basically sends a signal to any Bluetooth headset. So this is the box that it comes in. It's by GuliKit. Pretty straightforward, small little box. And then it has this nice little plastic case. And here is the little tiny receiver. And then this is a USB plug. So we'll get into those here in a minute. So right now with the receiver, as you can see, it is super tiny. It has a pairing A button and a pairing B button. So you can actually pair two sets of Bluetooth headphones to this. So if you got friends or whatnot playing with you, you don't have to have the one headset. And you'll notice that it's paired because when you plug it in, this light will light up, this light will light up, and then there's some additional lights here in the middle. And how you pair it is you just hold down the button, it'll go into pairing mode, do the same thing to your Bluetooth headsets, bam, you're set up. So now this has the protective case on it. When you take this off, you can see it gets even smaller. So how does this work? So if you have your Switch basically in portable mode, it's simple. It just plugs into the USB Type-C down here at the bottom. Whoops, as I drop it. So you just plug it in at the bottom here, slides right on in. And as you can see, the profile is incredibly thin. So on the go, you put on your headsets, bam, plug and play, good to go. Now, if you want, if you're like me, I would say I only actually play on the go maybe 20% of the time. Most of the time I play with the Switch docked. So how you do that is you can leave your Switch docked, and then you've got your USBs on the side. That's where this little guy comes in. It is just a USB to USB Type 3 converter. Simply plug this in like so. And then you plug it in down one of the USB slots. And you're good to go. It's that simple. Now, one thing to keep in mind, because this is not obviously a product through Nintendo, it is a third party. There is no way to turn on and off the receiver through the Switch. So as soon as it's plugged into either the Switch or the docking station, it instantly recognizes that it's a Bluetooth device, and it automatically activates. So if you're wanting to play and you don't want your headsets on, you got to go down to the docking station and unplug it. Obviously, it's not a big deal if you're handheld because it's right there at the bottom of the controller. So, like I said, this is a must-have device for your Nintendo Switch if you have it. There's multiple times that you're sitting on the couch, you want to put on headphones, don't want to bother somebody. You can pick this bad boy up and it will do exactly that. So, I'll include a link below for more information if you want to check out what other people are saying on it, any other reviews, feel free. And then until the next review, you guys take it easy. You, my friend, are awesome because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.